Rob Fraser here. This video talking about my fast track to full-time plan. And this is also an update to the system. So the system that I'm talking about contains 4 parts, 4 income streams, and I'm going to talk about how these income streams work together for the greater good of promoting this system and making money with it, and again, fast track to full-time income. Income disclaimer: results will vary. However, if you do the work and follow what I'm going to be sharing in this video, you'll see how you can work this system for yourself. So basically, fast track to full-time system consists of 4 programs, 4 initial programs. They do have a couple of bonus income streams, however, they're not necessary. So the first income stream is the multiple income funnel itself, and just a couple things I do want to share with it. With the multiple income funnel, you get a copy and paste replicated system. That being said, a lot of people are out there. I think around 6,800 people are promoting this exact same system, which is not a bad thing. However, there leaves room for customization. And the second income stream, that's where you will learn exactly how to do that. In marketing, if everyone has a replicated page, and I'm going to just show you what some of these replicated pages look like. They were very, very effective. However, when you have 6,800 people all promoting the same pages, after a while, it gets not saturated, but a tad saturated. I mean, there's no way to ever saturate anything that you're promoting ever, because there's way too many people in the world. However, internet marketing, affiliate marketing is a small bubble. And after you kind of hang out long enough, you'll start running into the same people over and over again, and you'll start seeing a lot of the same marketing pages over and over again. So the first thing you get with the multiple income funnel is the multiple income funnel itself. You get access to all of the replicated pages, sales videos, the ebook sales funnel, and you get access, most importantly, to the training. I'm going to just simply click here on resources and training here. Everything back here is designed to help you succeed with this system. So in the training, you get 7 steps to success. Daniel Kump, hopefully I'm saying his name correctly, is the one doing this training. Very solid training. And we have marketing system success training. This is also another. I don't want to keep saying that there's so much training within the system, but there's a lot of training in the system to help you make it work. And there's many different avenues to promote this thing. A lot of folks they get in here, they join a program, and they don't take action on anything that's shared with them, when the only thing they really have to do is come back here, go through these steps right here. Another thing that I do like back here is these weekly training calls. Every single week they take a leader and they interview them, somebody who is having success, a real person who is having success with this system right now. They interview them, they ask them what are they doing to have the results that they're having. And in fact, as of filming this video, next week is my turn. So but you can see right back here, all of the people who have had success with this system have interviews. So when you join, you're not just joining a marketing system to promote the marketing system just to promote the marketing system. You're getting access to all of this training from people who are currently succeeding, learning what they are doing now to get results. And that's just the multiple income funnel in and of itself. So again, replicated system, everything just in a box to get started. And the second income stream is where you can take what you have learned in this first income stream and then start to add your own customization to it. So what I shared earlier, everyone, 6,800 other reps, we're all in this promoting the same system. Eventually, you'll want to start to customize. You want to start to change. You want to add different videos. You want to talk about different pieces of this puzzle. And those are the things you're going to learn within income stream 2. So the first, income stream 1, is just the copy and paste, replicated system, and all the training designed to make it work. The second piece, the second income stream, takes that to the next level and allows you to start to customize things. Because if we're all promoting the same pages, after a while, it's just not going to have that much effectiveness. And in this industry, people join people. So you'll learn how to start to stand out with income stream number 2. That's how it makes sense. And all of these income streams are designed to promote the first income stream. And when people come in and join an income stream, they'll be taken through this progression, and it's just that simple. Income stream 3, TextBot. This program allows you to do what I like to call offline marketing. Advertise a phone number. When people text that phone number, they'll go through your texting sales funnel, if you will. That texting sales funnel can be connected to the multiple income funnel. That texting sales funnel is a way to promote this whole system offline by promoting a cell phone number. And I have some training on how I do that with postcards and drop cards. I take little drop cards, drop them around town. People text the number. They start getting my marketing text messages. And then that helps me promote this whole system offline. Same thing with postcards. So now I'm promoting this online, and now I'm promoting it offline, and TextBot is that piece that allows me to do that. The last income stream, Traffic Authority, very simple place. You go there, you buy clicks. Those clicks will be sent right to the beginning of this whole system, to the beginning of the multiple income funnel. When your people come behind you and they duplicate and they replicate this system, it's creating something that I like to call group economics. Everyone comes behind you and they will join these programs in the same progression, and you'll start getting daily checks from different programs in this whole system. The multiple income funnel and Traffic Authority pays commissions every Friday. TextBot is an instant paying business, so whenever you sign somebody up today, you get paid today. So you could potentially make a TextBot sale every single day and get paid every single day. Power Lead System, they just did a change to their comp plan, and whenever you sign somebody up, they become a paid member, you'll get a commission. Those commissions are held for 10 days, and after the 11th day, you can cash those commissions out to your bank. So say you make a sale every single day. After that 10th day, you can log in your Power Lead System back office and request those commissions to come out to your debit card or to your bank account every single day. So it's now paying daily. Obviously, you have to have that 10-day log, but if you make a sale every single day, after the 10th day, you're going to get paid every single day. So 2 programs pay every single Friday. 1 program pays you instantly right now today, and the second program pays you every single day after the 10 days, if that made sense. So it's not just about joining these different programs just to join them. It's how the whole system works together and what you're going to get. Also, within that training and that resources area, you're going to get training in online marketing, offline marketing, social media. Even Power Lead System has a great social media training as well. So for the people who maybe don't have a budget to join all of the programs or have the money for paid traffic, there's ways you can market this using social media that's not as strenuous on the wallet, if you will. So that being said, wrapping this video up, this was an update and what you're going to get inside the system. Also, that being said, whenever you join this system through me, you will also get my mentoring. I will help you make this thing work for yourself, no matter what it takes. And it's not hard. I'm laying out a step-by-step plan as we speak, and it's just simply a matter of just following my lead. I promote it a certain way. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, the exact same websites I go to, and all you have to do is just duplicate. just follow the instructions and do it long enough until you start getting momentum. When you start getting momentum, you start getting more leads, you start getting more leads, you start getting more commissions, and then from there, it's just simply a matter of following my money plan to scale. So, that being said, wrapping this video up, link will be below. My name is Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video.